Let's talk about Ford right now. That company came out with earnings that came out a little bit above what analysts had projected. The shares, though, are trading lower. And, it is grappling with the same stuff that lots of companies have been grappling with: supply chain issues, trying to raise prices to offset those supply chain issues, limited production because of all this. The company, obviously having a victory with the electric Ford F-150 and the demand for that, but that's not still where it makes most of its money. So, Soz, what did you make of this quarter?
Couple things. First, for all those motorists listening to us right now in their cars, on their iPhone Live, if you're looking to buy another car, go out and get it now. Because one takeaway from these GM earnings earlier in the week and Ford's earnings call last night, the prices for cars and trucks is going to continue to rise because of inflationary pressures these automakers are feeling, and not just 4 or 5%. You're probably likely to see double-digit increases in car prices this year when it's all said and done. Ford highlighting a $4 billion hit this year alone because of commodities prices. And last but not least, Julie, I have a piece on the Yahoo Finance homepage right now really calling out Ford CEO Jim Farley, who highlighted, really just took a couple, I would say, shots at General Motors on the EV market. I liked it. I like Farley's swagger. It's been, I think, a key driver of Ford's stock price and turnaround under his leadership. Very interesting comments from him taking those shots against GM, which is still is not delivering up to expectations on the EV front.
Well, we shall see what happens when, as they say, the rubber meets the road for these two companies, right? And
Impressive.
Both of them are still dwarfed in EV market share by Tesla, right? So, they're both just trying to compete for second place effectively in the U.S. car market. And I guess we'll see who's going to get it there. If it's going to be the Ford F-150 that pushes them over the edge, I think that remains to be seen. But, I think the idea of what's happening with production for these companies is going to be key to continue to watch us.
So very true. All right.